Performance task. The Truth Seeker Media Campaign. Goal: to create a multimedia campaign that educates the school community about identifying fake news and promoting digital literacy. Role: student social media manager and content creator for the school's media literacy club. Audience: first and senior school students, parents, and faculty members. Situation: the school has nothing an increase in students sharing misinformation on social media, leading to confusion and unnecessary panic. You are tasked with creating a campaign that counters this trend. An infographic, poster, or digital outlining 3 concrete steps to identifying fake news. Then, product performance. A campaign package consisting of a 2-minute video, TikTok Reel style, explaining and a check the source technique. Standards criteria. The final products will be evaluated on accuracy, persuasiveness, and digital design quality. Zero break. Analytic scoring rubric. The Truth Seeker campaign. Criteria: accuracy, credibility. Weight: 30%. Exemplary: all information is accurate, well researched, and cited. No misinformation included. Profession: most information is accurate with minor insignificant errors. Developing: some information is accurate or misleading evidence is weak. Beginning: information is largely inaccurate or purely opinion based. Clarifying of message at 25%. The message is a compelling, clear, and provides a unique, high-level analysis of the topic. Profession: the message is clear, understandable, and addresses the problem effectively. Developing: the message is generally understandable but lacks focus or depth. Beginning: the message is confusing or irrelevant to the goal of the campaign. Criteria: credibility in engagement 20%. The content is highly or original, engaging, and uses to innovative techniques to catch attention. The content is somewhat or creative, but it fails from formula or unoriginal. The developing. The content is creative and holds the audience's attention. Beginning: the content is not creative or engaging, standard boring approach. Design and technical quality 15%. Visuals are high quality, easy to read, and perfectly aligned with the message. Profession: visuals are clear and well organized, supporting the message well. Developing: visuals are decent but have minor distracting issues in font or layout. Beginning: visuals are poor quality, cluttered, or difficult to understand. Persuasiveness or call to action 10%. The call to action is clear, actionable, and highly motivating. The call to action is clear and and easy to follow. The call to action is well or vague. There is no clear call to action. My name is Rolando Alvaro Jr., BSN 2, Major English.